Hi, I'm Stephen from Life Aquatic Diving, and today I'm here in the mother city, Cape Town, South Africa. So it's a bit of a walk to get down here to dive. First you have to clamber down this path in full dive equipment. Those rocks out on the water are where the caves are. Then you have to walk over some very slippery round rocks and swim or crawl through the kelp forest depending on the tide. It's about 100 meters swim to where we'll descend. A bit more tiring than I remember it. Okay, here we go, right in the kelp. So the water's a little bit rough and surgy around these rocks, and it's absolutely freezing. Okay, there's the first tunnel. When there's a strong surge like today, you can really get pushed back hard or pulled rapidly through these tunnels. Okay, here we go. It's another beautiful Cape Town sunset.